Hello everyone and good afternoon, and we are going to be talking about an update on the tropics. Right now we are looking at Tropical Storm Blas here. There was some deep convection earlier, but now it is starting to fizzle away and probably will become a depression later today. But it may not, it may still stay tropical storm, but it will not be any big effect to Mexico or any of the surrounding areas. Maybe a few waves, bigger waves than normal. We can check on tropical depression Celia here. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. If not, sorry. And it is dropping some rain on Mexico, but still it could get heavy at times. But other than that, it is not going to be much of an impact. And as it becomes a hurricane in the next 5 days, most likely, but it may not, but still, it could become a hurricane in the next 5 days. If it does, it will again cause some more wave activity, but nothing more than that, as it is too far away from the coast. It may be curving in, but hopefully and probably will not impact Mexico. If it does, I'll update you guys on that. Let's go ahead and look at the IR satellite loop Atlantic wide here. We are seeing some convection popping up there, and then tropical depression right there, and then of course tropical storm Blas there. And we can see a little tropical wave here that will be moving towards these islands over here. And this is just going to be the first taste of this hurricane season, you guys. Some waves, they're just going to keep on coming off, right? And some of them wave form, and you guys could get pretty bad rains and actually pretty bad winds if it forms. This should not become much, but you can never say never, right? And as we are looking at on the model later in the video, we can see something interesting coming over here and coming off, and could be forming something little, but still it could be a little impactful. And let's look at it here. We are going to be watching something towards the end of the month here. We can see the tropical system coming off the coast of Africa, tropical wave coming off, and it will be going to through the Caribbean. Again, it will not be causing much. Some heavy rains at times, but you can never say never here. Low pressure system most likely right there. It's just not catching it right there. And yeah, this is a little disturbance there. If it keeps on going out like this and the model stays, well, we could see something pretty interesting here. Right now we are looking at the 7-day change, and we are seeing a little bit of warming here. Overall in the Atlantic, mostly cooling here. Warming in the main areas. Hurricane swarm right there. Not in the MDR there. More of a cooling state right there. A lot of cooling. And here, Nino 3.4, it's really staying neutral with slight warming. But look at the Nino 3.4 region, and my oh my, it is heading up, guys. And it most likely will keep on heading up the way it's looking. It is going to be close to neutral this year, and it could go back down to La Nina, or it could go up to El Nino. We don't know as of right now, but the predictions is probably a neutral this year would be the most likely that we are seeing. And the upper ocean heat content update, not a ton, but in the Gulf, yes, there is a good bit. Definitely enough for tropical activity. And yeah, that is it. That is our update. We are seeing one tropical storm, one depression in the eastern Pacific could be impacting Mexico, and nothing in the next 5 days for the Atlantic. But again, we could see something forming later. And yeah, that is basically it for today's tropical weather update, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.